2004 Toyota Sienna cat converter heat shield replacement. I'm doing the one that's kind of near the cooling fan. I got Toyota parts here. Mine was down there. It rusted off and started falling into the cooling fan. It was making a crazy noise. I'm lucky my fan didn't get destroyed. These are Toyota parts. Here are the part numbers. I will link them in the description. I don't think you can get that heat shield aftermarket. And then the nut and the bolt are just kind of like common nut and bolts. You can probably find some in your garage or at an auto parts store, but these are the actual Toyota ones. You might be able to reuse the ones on there. Mine were just really rusted, so I didn't want to reuse them. This heat shield's okay on top, but it's just the bottom one that came off. So a 10mm wrench or socket, whatever you want to use, is all you need. It's a little tight, but once you get this top nut, once you get it loose, you could just use your fingers to get it off the rest of the way. Careful, mine was still a little hot when I did it, so I'll definitely wait until your car is cooled down. But as you can see, that was rusted. Make sure to get any broken pieces that are left on the stud here off, like that. Now I'm going to use a little bit of this penetrant oil to just kind of spray that to help fight the rust and make it so the new nut goes on easier. Now the bottom one, it's best to go from the bottom. If you could like put something down on the ground and lay on the bottom, you can get this bottom bolt off. I believe if you have a skinny long arm, you can get down here without going underneath the car, but I just went underneath because it's a lot easier. This car is on a lift. That's why I'm able to get this good camera shot. If you're on your driveway or something, it might be a little bit not that great of a sight, but I'm gonna put some penetrant oil in here. I'll link this penetrant oil too, because this is like the best one I've ever used. Okay, so here's the heat shield. I'm gonna put this on, and it goes in like this right here. You just kind of go, you can kind of go move it to the side, and then once you get down there, you can move it over, put it on the stud. Now when you put the top nut on, you don't want to tighten it all the way down. You just want to get it on there pretty good. Here's the nut part number, and the nut is a fresh new Toyota nut. Go and kind of just get this on here. Yeah, now at first I tightened it down all the way like this, but it kind of messed me up because when I went to put the bolt on the bottom, it was not lining up. Here's the Toyota bolt. Okay, so I got the little bolt out here. Now it's easier to line up the hole when you have it kind of loose up top as well. And then when you get this going, then after this is threaded in with your hand, you could just tighten this one down all the way, and then we'll go to the top and tighten that down all the way. Go ahead and get this on here, and when you start this up, you might smell some like sticker adhesive burning off, or just whatever on this might be burning off. So don't panic if you smell like something burning for the first drive you go do. Alright, that's how you do it, guys. The heat shield, parts in description. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just a couple products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off promo code for AUXITO LED headlights. These are the best headlights in my opinion. They just recently upgraded all their technology, so their LED lights are even brighter than the others that are still using old tech. I've had many LED lights as far as like headlights, interior lights, whatever, brake lights, and these are the best. They don't flicker, they're not cheap. They don't like go out on you. All you gotta do is go to the AUXITO website, type in your vehicle information, then look up what kind of light you want. All their products will pop up, and these are available on Amazon as well. But if you go to the website and use GearmoAuto in the discount code spot, you will get 15% off. So if you're looking for new brighter upgrades, check these out. Hey, what's up guys? I want to tell you about Quantum Soap. It's a new men's soap company. They got many different bars of soap, each with their own ingredients and fragrance and texture. They even have grittier bars for like mechanics or whoever, like the dark matter bar. It's extra gritty. If you go to their website, it's free shipping over $50. Each bar is about $5. You also get a 10% discount code for your first order. They're coming out with many new soaps. It's definitely worth checking out. Of course, I have a discount code for you. It's GearmoAuto. If you type it in at checkout, you'll get 10% off. You could use it as many times as you want every time you order. These make great gifts to husbands, boyfriends, uncles, nephews. They even got the Galactic Mechanic Bar. It's super gritty for mechanics, so check that out. type in the GearmoAuto promo code. That way they know you're one of the homies. And that's it, guys.
You're pretty good.